Listen to the heartbeat of technology. Feel Windsock's Seiko WSK290N04G6, an N-channel FET from the future, although its size is small. TO-263-6L encapsulation contains powerful energy, carrying 2023 of fresh batches up to 563,211. In power control, it is like an accurate conductor. 40V drain source voltage, 290A drain current to ensure smooth current flow. Low drain source on resistance of 12M allows efficiency to soar. 20V gate source voltage, 142NC gate charge, ensuring fast response. Its maximum power dissipation reaches 230,000 MW. The temperature range is from -55 degrees C to 150 degrees C, regardless of severe cold or extreme heat, can work stably, which is not only electronic components, but also a symbol of innovative technology. If you are curious about this product, please contact us through private letter. Explore more details.